asparagus pork stir fry. Faster and better than takeout. Hi, welcome to Cooking with Cori. I'm your host, Chef Cori Doern, and I'm also a proud media spokesperson for Foodland Ontario. And this pork and asparagus stir-fry recipe is off the hook. It's so delicious. Let's get right to it. To start this amazing recipe, we've got some beautiful Ontario pork that we want to thinly slice, so it helps if you put it into the freezer for just a little bit to make it a little bit firmer, and it makes it easier to slice, and you want to slice it against the grain. I also have some amazing Ontario asparagus, beautiful. I cut it into about inch chunks, along with some Ontario yellow bell pepper and some beautiful Ontario shallots. Pulling this all together is a wonderful marinade that has fish sauce, oyster sauce, soy sauce, rice wine vinegar as a finish, ginger, garlic. You've got your sweet, your salty, your spicy, and the chili flakes and the sugar. And it all comes together to make this absolutely gorgeous sauce that I have right here. I love it. It's got the cornstarch in it. Oops, I'm spilling it all over the place. But it's got cornstarch in it so that I can bind it all together really, really, really nicely. And this is what's going to pull our dish all together. So when I cook this, because I want you to see every level, following the recipe, and you get this recipe off of foodlandontario.ca, but when you're looking at the recipe, make sure that you have everything ready to go when you start. So with this recipe, I have all of my ingredients lined up so that when I start my cooking process, everything's going to line up really, really fast. And I also even have some rice noodles ready to go in a bowl so that when I finish my beautiful sauce, my beautiful stir fry, I should say, with my beautiful sauce, it's ready to eat and enjoy. So I'm going to turn on the temperature of here. So what I did was, going through the recipe, I took my onion, my oil, I put it in the pan, I sauteed everything all together really, really nicely. I took my pork, I sliced it up, and I took some pepper, and I let it hang out for a bit. It's always good to get it at room temperature. And once I did every stage, I added some water to my finished sauteed asparagus, peppers, and shallots, and I ended up with this, which is fantastic. And then I cooked my pork in batches, and I ended up with this, which is also fantastic. So now that I have my cooked pork and I've got everything ready to go with my vegetables, it means I can now bring it all together nicely and quickly. So I'm going to add my lovely, already cooked, ready to go peppers and shallots and asparagus. And that is just gorgeous. And to it, I'm going to add my beautiful Ontario pork. And these are all ready to go. And most importantly, I'm going to add now my sauce with my lovely Asian flavors. This is a nice high heat. And if you want it spicier, you can always make it spicier. If you want it more mild, you can always make it more mild. But this is going to come together really, really, really quickly. And that cornstarch is going to make everything bind together so nicely. Oh, you see that steam? That is yumminess infiltrating this kitchen because, my goodness, it smells amazing. And you've got in that sauce, along with our Ontario pork and asparagus, just these wonderful salty, sweet, spicy, savory flavors that, as you can see, once you have everything ready to go, it is absolutely beautiful, gorgeous. Look at that glistening. The higher the heat, the more it's going to come together. But generally on your stove, not my induction, it's going to take about maybe 2 to 3 minutes for it to come together just beautifully. And I've got my lovely rice noodles. You can use any size you want. And then right up on top, I've got my gorgeous pork and asparagus stir fry using all Ontario, beautiful Ontario ingredients. Oh, it smells so good. I'm going to tell you, go to foodlandontario.ca and get this recipe because I'm confident this is going to be one of those recipes you're doing all the time. And then for a lovely garnish, you can put some peanuts if you want, which I like, some toasted peanuts, and a little bit of Thai basil. Enjoy.